How to disable filtering on Telegram. Hello there, today we'll learn about how to disable filtering feature on your Telegram account. So here on your Telegram application, it actually is not available for you to disable filtering. So what you need to do is open Telegram through your browser. What you need to do is go to your browser, any browser you have, and then type in web.telegram.org. Make sure you typed it in correctly so you'll be routed to the correct page. And here you will, once you typed in or go to the browser, you will need to log in into your account here. So first you need to select the country and then input your phone number. Once you've inputted your number, Telegram will be sending a code into your Telegram account on your mobile device. And you just need to copy the code and then paste it on the box provided. Once done, you will need to input your password and you'll be routed to the home page, and then you just need to click on your profile and go to privacy and settings. And you just need to scroll down under privacy, and under sensitive content, you just need to toggle or tick the box to disable filtering. And that's it. That's how you disable filtering on Telegram. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.